last class, remember we have discussed about logistics general. Here we have defined the attributes, no? Raw material ED00 to finished goods ED05. Okay. Now for that we need to define the number range, and we have assigned to plant also. We need to define the number ranges. So basically number ranges means whenever I am going to create a material master, right? So automatically the system should get the number. Okay, automatically whatever I define, that is the thing of maintaining the number ranges here. But how to maintain this number range, that is more important. So I'll come to SAP. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting new. Here, sorry, not financial accounting. Logistics general, material master, basic settings. Here, material types we have done all attributes. Now, further define the number ranges for material type. Now first in your table, what you have to do, you have to find out the interval sequence. Click on this interval. So just come down. So my last sequence is 8100. But in your table, if you are not able to find the number range, you can assign to any group. I will show you how to assign. Okay. I will show you that how to assign. So here, so number ranges 7951 to 8100 is there. So now I have to start from 8111. Okay, I will show you. Even if you won't get back, no worries. We can copy. Click on this maintain groups. You can see one option here. Here create number range, or in certain server what it will be there, this option won't be there. You have to go to group and create. That also you can do. Here group and create, that also is there. You can go for that. So if you find this icon, you can start to use the create now option here. Create. So 8101 I will give it as 8500. So here you have to maintain the text number range for company code Exide. Okay, enter like this. Now click on save button. Now if you won't get the number, what you do straight away, if you are not able to get the number, just come to this maintain group. Now search your attributes. I created my attributes. Remember we have created the attributes. Control F, enter your company code Exide. So it will show all the list whatever you have created. That's why I told you whenever creating attributes, just you have to copy here. Okay. Just a minute. Now system will show whatever the attributes you have created. Okay, whatever the attributes. Now one by one you have to select. Say for example ED00 is my raw material, no? Just select here. It is getting slow. Just a minute. Now SPRO, FCP reference IMG, Logistics General. Material master, basic settings, material types, define number ranges. Click on maintain group here, Control F. So my company code is Xside alla, enter. So it will show all your attributes. Select this attribute ED00. Where is it? Here. Now you have to select your attributes. Click on element group because I have to chain link alla. This raw material I have to link with my number range. Okay, so for that you are doing element group, assigning of element group. Click on this. Now see here, if you are not able to get the number range, same thing, you follow the process. Just select your attributes, go to element group and select anyone in the table, any number ranges in the table if other users are maintained. You can assign to that. Just select here and link. That's it. It will select. Okay, no need to worry. Because in real time it's a fresher table, live server, whatever the client will give us number ranges we will maintain, but here it's like that. Okay, so this is my number range. So assign, select here and assign. Now if you come down, see it is assigned to my company code attributes number range. Now again second one, Xside spares, select here. Packaging, trading goods, next again. Element group, number range, then again finished goods, select here and element group. Okay, save. So like this you have to assign the number ranges. Now come back here. Now this is the what I this basic settings is over. Next is what you have to define. Metal group, no attributes is done. Metal group I have to define. Metal group initially I told, no material, services and others. So here come back. Here only settings for key fields. Define the material group. Define the material group. Click on new entry. So metal group what I have given here, EX1 alla. This is for materials. EX2, this is for services. EX3, this is for others. Save the data. Okay, save and come back. So like this, when it define. Next one, very important, logistics general is over. Material attributes, but again, one small thing I have to define for this purchasing group, no? Wait a minute, I have to copy, didn't copy alla. Now we have to maintain purchasing group here. Materials management. Purchasing. Here one option is there. Create purchasing group. Purchasing group means, for example, in the real-time companies, for each and every department we have a purchasing group. Okay, that is very important. You should understand. For example, when you go to this apparel industry, no. For example, menswear division will be there. Menswear. In menswear, you will be having a formals and casuals, right? Again, women's wear division will be there. And again, women's wear, again formals, casuals, and example t-shirts, like this. Now whenever we want to procure something from vendor, for example, I want for women's wear division some 200 quantity of fabric to manufacture t-shirts. Okay, to manufacture the t-shirts. So to order this authority, 200 quantity they require, women's wear department, head of the department has decided, they will initiate the order. Now who will come to in charge to place this order? Not formals, not casual. T-shirts is the purchasing group over there. They are going to execute this order. That is the purchasing group. So it's particularly purchasing group means a concerned department who are responsible to place the order for a particular material requirement in the particular department, you can say, not in the company. Company is not responsible. In that company, in that particular division, in that particular type of department, they are going to order the things. That is, we call it as purchasing group, the concerned responsible team. That is, we call it as a purchasing group. Okay. Now here create purchasing group. So I will, any three character you can take by here. So my company code is EXIDLWA. So you will take EP0 or E00 you can take. Purchasing group for company code XID. Okay, like this. Now, so this is completely about the logistics general configurations part. Okay. Now we need to discuss on the next one. We need to do testing part, and we need to discuss on the next level, that is material masters. Material masters part. So this is very, very important concept, material master here. So what do you mean by material master? Material master contains all the information a company needs to manage about a material. So before I procure something with vendor, right, I want to start purchasing with vendor, I need to create a material code for that in the procurement system, so that based on that code we will place an order to the vendor, he will supply the material to me, right? Now what are the things you are going to be required to create a material master, and what is the importance of this? Okay, remember in SAP basic I told you one concept, data types. Master data, it is permanent in nature and will maintain constant for long period. In module we have created vendor master. Now we need to create the material master. So once I create that master, from the beginning, for that particular material, how much cost I have spent and how much I got revenue, entire thing I can track. From 1 rupee to 1000, how it has become lakhs, we can track. That is the importance of material masters. Okay, and this material masters are created by department only, but when they are creating a master cell, a material master, all the department input they will collect, they will prepare on file, and they will start doing the creation of material masters. Because whenever they want to create a material, all the department input they require compulsory, because we need to store that all. We need to store in SAP, right? What and all material you have maintained, what is the price of that material, what is the weight, what and all, so that you should maintain in this material master record. So in each and every material, normally this material master number you can find it in any brand. When you go for any brand purchase, right, you can see on the barcode sticker. You can see on the barcode sticker, on that you can find that material master number. Shiba, you might have seen this, no? Barcode sticker. See here. So for example, this is the material master number. See here, this one. This lines, whatever you can see, no, it is basically not lines, it is a configuration. It's a configuration. Normally we will do this configuration in the quality management barcode configuration. One big topic is there, whatever the lines are there, we need to define each and every line, what is that going to represent. Whenever you go to showroom, you just see that person who will going to scan on his monitor or system. It will show all the detail. Whenever he click in, he just press the scan button, it will show all the detail. So that we will store it in the material master. So whatever the departments or details will be stored, that we call it as views. The material master data is stored in a functional segment called views, VIUS, views. The departments we call it as views. And remember, whenever I am creating the attributes, I have selected some department for raw material, for finished goods. So that is department, it will highlight now when you are going to create the material master. So what are the departments view will be there? Normally basic data things will be given by the department. Basic data means the name of the product, purchasing group, purchasing data, that and all. And accounting data will be given by the finance. Sales data will be given by the sales department. Sales data means how they are going to ship the finished goods, what is the mode of transport, everything they will update. Purchase department, they will fix a name, what is the name we should give for that particular raw material and all. Accounting department, they will fix a price, what is the price of that material we are going to maintain. Okay, so normally in your SAP Material Master, the departments which are going to maintain is view. In view, basic data 1, purchasing, what is the purchasing group you have to specify here. Purchase order text, what is the text of that material you have to give. Which plant you are going to take inward, the plant input you have to give here. In the SD view, sales view, it will not come to us because for raw material purchases, sales data will not come. Okay, and MRP means it is not that retail price, no. There is a concept in PP module, material recruitment planning, that is MRP. So I need to mention under what level you are doing the MRP procedure. You are following the MRP procedure that you should do. Accounting 1 means the finance input FI. Only these things you have to select for time being. Other things don't consider, because for raw material sales data not required, because I am not selling finished goods, I am purchasing raw material. So your main thing is concerned view, PP view and FI view, these three things. And for creation of Material Master Bar, the T code is MM01, for edit MM02, and for display MM03. These three things. This T code you should always, you have to recall. Just remember this part, don't forget MM01. I will give the list of T codes once I complete the P2P process. Now for creating this you have to come to easy access, but remember, if you have done correctly entire logistics general, enterprise structure, all the configuration, if you do perfectly only, system will allow you to create Material Master, otherwise it will throw error, because it's like a testing, you are doing end user testing now. Whatever we have done so far, it is up to IMG level. Now I have to start creating, I have to do testing of my configuration now. So it will show the errors, or it is getting saved or not, we will get to know. Okay, now come to SAP here. Logistics, materials management, Material Master, material, create general here, MM01 immediately. MM01 immediately. Enter. Now either you can give the name or you can just ignore also, because I maintained number range, system will take. So inside, once I enter, I will give the text of that material. So industry sector, we have selected what is our industry sector? 0, right? 0. And material type ED00, raw material. You have to select this. You have created now ED00. Go to select views. So I told you what are the views you have to select. See, only it will pop up. Whatever I have taken in the attributes now. Remember, in raw material attribute I have selected department. Only this, that much will appear here. So I want purchase basic data, purchasing, purchaser text. This is MM view, MRP1, PP view, general plant maintenance view, accounting 1, accounting view. Okay. Only this much I want as of now. Click on organization level. So to which plant you are taking inward? This raw material. So you have to give your plant 1 EX00, and once you inward where you are going to move is storage. I will move it to RM, raw material storage I am going to move. Okay. Enter. So this is the number is taken automatically. See, that is the impact of number ranges. See, 8101. Now you have to give the name here. Say for example, polo t-shirt I am purchasing. fabric, polo t-shirt fabric I am purchasing. Just you can mention this polo t-shirt. Unit of measurement each, always you will take each for fabric and this one meter wise. Metal group, we have created metal group. No, what is the metal group? EX1, because this is comes under raw material purchases. You have to take EX1, material purchase. Okay, division if you want you can enter pa, otherwise here gross weight of the material you can enter if you know, other things not required. Now press enter, so it will take you to purchasing. Here you have to mention which purchasing group are purchasing here. So my purchasing group is E00, right? My purchasing group is E00, enter. And purchase or text you have to give, copy and paste, enter. In the MRP1, material recruitment planning, nothing to update, but here MRP procedure, MRP type, there are a lot of procedure. See here, lot of procedures are there, but I have not done any planning. You can take ND, no planning. Okay, enter. And plant storage data, just check whether everything is correct or not. Just you have to verify, enter. Accounting one, this is very important. In accounting one, valuation class you have to select. Valuation class. So this valuation class, I will tell you once I come to the P2P process. There we need to do FI integration. For time being, I am purchasing raw material. For raw material, the valuation class is 3000. It is default. Just select that one. What is valuation class? I will tell you in the P2P process. Okay, P2P. So here, valuation class 3000 you have to select because I am purchasing raw material. What is the price of the material? Moving average price, both you can give same 1000 and 1000. Okay, enter and save. Now my configuration is correct. See, system has allowed green message, material 8101 has been created. So using this one I am going to create one more. I can use copy. I will apply copy option 8101. No need to create again new one, just I will apply the copy. 81 I am going to copy from here. Select views, basic data, purchasing, MRP1, general plant, counting one. So I am copying to plant one only, copy from, you have to give which plant, EX00 RM, enter. So here I will give denim fabric, just keep on entering other things, everything it will copy. So here change the text, MRP, even accounting one also it's copied, enter and save. So two metal masters are created. If you want to see, go to change athwa MM02, click on this. So my plant is EX00. So we have created two material master. One is polo t-shirt and one is denim fabric. So this is my material master 8101 and 8102. Okay, so this is about the complete set of one stages in MM module. So tomorrow we need to go for the foundation thing, P2P process. If you can able to post or if you able to complete P2P process, we can go to next level. There you will get lot of errors when you are doing a P2P process. No, whatever process error is there, system error is there, everything you will get. You have to solve that error and you have to go for next level. Okay, so that I will start by tomorrow. P2P, procure to pay. Any doubts are there, let me know, or anything. If you're practicing also, you can drop a message to me. Tell me.
Hi sir. Sir, SAP ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅದು SAP ಇದು ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ